Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation to heal your body with the power of 528 Hz frequency music. This frequency is believed to have a profound impact on physical, emotional, and spiritual healing. So, when you're ready, find yourself a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. Start to relax and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, and let's get started. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Repeat this for a few more breaths, feeling your body becoming more relaxed with each inhale and exhale. Now, bring your attention to your body. Start at the top of your head and scan your body all the way down to your toes, noticing any areas of discomfort or pain. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, allowing the frequency music to wash over you and bring healing energy to your body. Visualize a white healing light entering your body as you listen to the music. It starts in the center of your body, and slowly that ball of light grows larger and larger, filling your chest, the extremities, and then moving past your body. As it moves through your body, imagine it clearing any blocks or negative energy and filling you with peace and well-being. Focus on the areas that need healing the most. Visualize the light becoming brighter and more intense in those areas. Allow the frequency music to work its magic, healing and rejuvenating your body. We will now go silent for a few moments and allow you to become fully immersed in the frequency music. And now take a deep breath in. Start to bring your attention back to your breath. Maybe wiggle your toes and fingertips, bringing attention back to the body. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for taking the time to heal your body with the power of frequency music. I hope you feel a little bit more refreshed and rejuvenated. May you continue to feel calm and relaxed throughout your day.